Children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School Billimora would like to explain you the topic shapes of maths subject in Mayflower Same 1 book page number 165. Now I am going to teach you solid shapes. Shapes like squares, triangles, circles, rectangles and ovals are all flat shapes. They have no thickness. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere are some solid shapes. Okay. So children, look at here. This is the rectangle page. Okay. So the rectangle page, this is the rectangle page. So this is the flat shapes. Okay. This is the flat shapes. But this is the cuboid, this is cuboid. Okay, this matchbox is the shape of the cuboid. So that have thickness. Okay, this is the cube. This shape Rubik's cube. This shape is cube. So that have thickness. This is the ball that have thickness. Okay, so the shape of the rectangle, square, triangle, oval, this is only flat shapes, but cuboid, cube, cylinder, cones, sphere are some thickness, okay. So now we have to start that cuboid. Okay, now we have to start cuboid. Okay, cuboid that have this one, this is the face, this is the line, this is the edge, and this point, this is the corner. Okay, now we have to see here a cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Each face a cuboid is rectangular shape. Some example is given in here, saw, matchbox and eraser. Okay, now we have to see this here matchbox. Okay, matchbox, this is the shape of the rectangular but that have thickness. This is the shape of rectangular. Rectangle is the flat shape. This have thickness, that's why that is called cuboid. This have how many edges? That first we have to see these faces. Okay, one, this is the face 1. Okay, now then this is the 2, 3, 4 face. This side is the 5 and this side is the 6. So how many faces of cuboid? Cuboid have 6 faces. Now 8 corner. Okay, now we have to see this corner. This 1, this corner, this 2, this is the 3 corner, this is the 4, this 5, this side 6, that same is this 7 and 8 corner. How many corner? 8 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 downside. 5 corner, 6 corner, 7 and 8. Okay, see this here also that is given. This is a point, this touch, that is the corner. So how many corners of cuboid? 8 corners and 12 edges. Okay, 12 edges. This one, this edges. Okay, now see in here. This is your edges. This line, this is line, this line is called edges. Okay, now we have to count 1 edges, 2, 3, 4. Down this 5, same 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges? 12 edges. Okay, now then is the cube. A cube also has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Each face of cube is square in shape. Okay, so cube is how type of shape? Square shape. But that is the thickness, that is called cuboid. Okay, so now cuboid we have to see this dice. Okay, so dice, this look at here, this dice have how many faces? 1, 2, this 3, this 4, 5 and back side this one, this 6. So 6 faces. Now 6 faces this. Now 8 corner. Okay, now we have to count this corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, this side 7, and this last corner is the 8 corners. Now edges, 12 edges, this 1, 2, this 3, this one 4, same this downside 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this 10, 11, 12. Okay, so same this is the Rubik's cube. Rubik's cube also how many face? 6 face. 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4 face, 5, and back side last this 6 faces. Okay, and how many corners? 1 corner, this 2 corner, this 3 corners, this 4 corners, this 5 corners, this 6 corner, this 7 corners, this 8 corners. Okay, now this is the edges. Okay, now we have to see these edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many corners? 12 corners. Now that we have to see this cylinder. This is a cylinder. It has no corner. It has 2 circular faces. Okay, look at this cylinder. Cylinder have 2 faces. This one and these 2 faces. No corner. That have no corner. And okay, so we have to see of this cylinder. Okay, now we have 2 cylinder. Cylinder has no corner and 2 circular face. This one face and this is the down face. Okay, so 2 circular face. Okay, and that have no corners. Some example is given: rolling pin, drum. Look at rolling pin here, one face and the second face. Okay, here this one face, this down, this have face. So this type of this face, 2 faces is given. Okay, now the next cone. A cone has 1 corner. It has 1 circular face. A cone has 1 corner. Look at here. This is given this 1 corner, and this whole face is the 1 circular face. Okay, so some example is given in here. This birthday cake, these are 1 corner and this one is face. Now ice cream cone, it have 1 corner, this and this 1 circular face. Now sphere, a sphere has no corner and no edges. Okay, example is given this globe. Now look at this ball. Look at this one is ball. Ball have edges? No edges. And have faces? This is the face. In the ball have, this is side is the, this whole side is the face. This whole side is face that have no corner. Okay, 1 face only, no corner and no edges. Wool same as it is the sphere. This shape is sphere. This also no corner, no edges, only 1 face. Okay, now next, this match the object with the name of the solid shape they resemble. Now sphere. Sphere is given here. Look at this picture. Which shape of the sphere? So ball shape is the sphere. So we have to join this sphere with ball. Now that cube. Which shape of the cube? Rubik's cube. Okay. So that we have to join this. Now cuboid. Which shape of the cuboid? So matchbox. So we join this matchbox. Now this shape of the cone. Which shape? This ice cream cone. Join this. Now this is the cylinder. Which shape of the cylinder? This side. Okay, so we have to join of this. Now complete the table. First shape is the cube shape. So cube have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Already we have to doing this. Now that is the box. Box shape is the cuboid. Cuboid shape is the 6 face, 12 edges and 8 corners. Now shape is the ball. Ball shape that have 1 face. Okay, ball shape have this the 1 face zero corner edges have ball no, and corner also not have, so zero corners. Now that is the cone. Okay, so now let's look at this one face, and if the down also this close, so that two faces. Okay, down has not closed, so one face only, but down also this one side is closed, so one and this two faces. Now edges, so this is the circle, this edge is called one edges. Okay, this is this edge is called one edge, and one corner, this one is the corner. Okay, this one face down also close, this is the second face. Okay, this edges is this one, and this one is the corner, so one corner. Now this is the shape of the cylinder type that have how many face? This one face, this upside two, downside the other, so three faces. Now edges, how many edges? This one edge, and the edges this, that we have not taken these edges we have to take. This is the sphere type, edges of this one, and this down is closed, there two edges, one and two, these edges. Face is 1, 2, and this one 3. Okay, and edges is taking of this one edges and two edges, and this whole shape is one face. This is whole shape is roll. Look at here, this whole shape is this roll type. Okay, no, so that have only face, not edges. Edges is taking only for this side, one up and one is down. Okay, this down. Okay. Now then these two faces, and corner have no corner have, so that is 0. So children, this activity you have to write in your textbook. I will send in PDF. Thank you children.